Yo, you know who it is, man. Episode 92, #1 podcast in the world.
Woo.
You know what I'm saying? We usually start off with a very hilarious intro, but...
I can't hear you.
You know what I'm saying? Today we're trying to talk... Can you hear me? We gotta address some issues that
Is his mic on? I can't hear... Talk up.
Some issues
I can't hear you over the money machine.
With the internet guy, the YouTuber.
I can't... You need to start?
Yo, is the machine jammed up? Why does it keep beeping?
We got 5 of them going. Victor, buy another one.
Victor, can you go order,
We need more money machines.
Yeah.
Turn it up.
More money machines. Get another one. Yo, they got them on sale on Amazon right now. Jeff Bezos.
Stupid $100 bills, they jam because they got the big... it's a hologram.
You got the new $1,000 bill joints?
I got 4 of them.
Damn, bro.
I dropped my Bitcoins.
Shit.
Brandon's too strong. Do the drop.
Suck our dicks in the brack.
Yeah. It's episode 92. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's right.
It's a little... The energy... We bring in the same energy.
Same energy.
Same energy we bring for every fucking podcast.
You know
episode
what I mean?
92. We're not from Red Bull right now. But shout out to Red Bull, the illustrious podcast studio where we do our digital clarity art. Today, because we love you guys, you ball bags, you dirt balls, you need the art the way dope fiends need that smack.
You know what I mean?
We're giving you that art right now.
That's right. We over
rented
here.
a studio. Shout out to the illustrious, what is it? Pro
Media
Yeah,
Studios.
shout out to the Pro Media Studio. Everyone
You
at
know what I
Barstool was like, whoa.
You know what I mean?
Shout out to y'all. Yo, it's your boys. You know what it is.
Come on, man. Bro, please, who is it?
I don't listen.
Who's that guy?
Your poom poom's getting wet right now.
Yeah.
You're like, they're about to
Talk
do
to
the
him.
AKAs. You know
Yeah.
what it is. We'll talk to you nice, like Dream Girl says. Talk to
Uh-huh.
you nice. Everything nice. It's your boy, Desus Nice.
Shit.
AKA Desus Vice.
Uh-huh.
AKA Young Chapoli.
Whoop.
AKA Pocket State Fat Cheerio. AKA Chris Stafford Slayer. Hold the fuck up. Let me just stop right now.
Stop.
Yo,
Talk to
my
him.
nigga on HQ Trivia.
Uh-huh.
You keep doing them AKAs, my nigga.
Nah.
You calling yourself Quiz Khalifa?
Nah, that's not sanctioned. Not sanctioned. Not sanctioned.
The Hive got mad fatwas to put out.
Yo.
Don't be the next one to
Come
get
on,
run up.
B. Don't get that physical CND, my nigga.
Back to the AKAs. Chris Pro Slick, the Eli Lippy, Butcher's Gully. Some of them might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hate, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nandos with around the middle, 94 in the York, McCall going off, Juve Boss, MC Look Gunga P.
Wow.
Putting up for 40 with your shorty. AK don't talk to me in a fucking Uber pool.
I don't fucking know you at all,
none of
B.
y'all
Especially
niggas.
if you're a fucking YouTuber.
We ain't friends. The original my plus one got a plus one, so I make a fuss. DJ Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa. The Ghost of Mufasa. Young Shakuni out the corner. You hear the aggression in my voice, nigga. It's gonna be a good episode. AKA Chili Lamel. Hey, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K. All right.
Estamos late. Estamos daima.
You know what it is. Vice K Makazaka. 2 Phone Joes. DJ Machina. J Chuckle. Stanley Cups. They're hearing Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. I'm getting that white shit racist get in the corner of their mouth.
Yeah.
Mr. 240 because I like my Pinot.
Yeah.
DJ Woolite, and you're listening to Washed FM. Up next, we have 5 hours of Drag On.
Shit.
H2O.
Whoa.
The
Got
Curry
that
Goat.
shit to make it hit
Dina Spicer, Joe Ashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain him, the Human Meme, word the job, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Buckwells, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the Human World is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on deck, Ricky Tiki Squad, Greg Mr. Morris says, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee.
But they got that cucumber.
The juices never pressed. The juices are pressed. But your boy never has been, never will be.
Never.
And I am the art, damn it. So you ask for the art, I'm like, me and Mero are the art. We give it to you when you want it, but not when you need it. Or backwards. The Dundada Ganoush. Norma Cup of Noodles. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova Casanova.
That's right.
William H. Cent. 5 cents. 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change.
What you need?
Give me what? Big money wine. The only anthem I salute is what? Dipset.
Dun, 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 dun.
You know what it is. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left.
Yo, man, this Marv. Nah, y'all Marv, we eating.
You know what I'm saying? Triz, Grizzuto, Churruto.
Holy
Catch me at
cow.
the money store, my nigga. Mr. Soft Palms, because what? All I do is count checks and jack off.
Fucking dickheads.
Open the fridge. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda. It's me, Sunny D. It's your boy, David Yerman. By popular request, I'm adding this AKA. Oh, These expensive. These is red bottoms. These is bloody shoes. Yeah. Mr. Shop that street, these are the bad breezy like I'm Yeezy. Please believe me, Mr. Black Asiatic who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. Lamarina, the mess with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor.
Yeah.
AKA your problematic bae. Don't make me go back to 2014 on you niggas. You don't want that.
You don't want those problems whatsoever.
Up next on the docket. Bring the inmate from behind to face the court.
He's been remanded. He's back from the boat.
That's
you know
right.
who it is.
Keep the cuffs on him. Because they're going to put that mask on him because like the spit at the COs. Let's go.
It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking man.
He's a
Look
man.
at my checking account, a.k.a. Check the guest list again, nigga. I'm on it right next to Michael Beasley. He's in there waiting for me right now. I got the pack on deck. I'm not fucking stepping to the side while you check. This nigga just dropped 40 at the garden. Are you stupid? I'll go to Chuck E. Cheese and rip Chuck E. Cheese head off to show my kids the realities of life. These niggas is actors. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Ben Smack Biyombo, a.k.a. Papa Sushi, the king of Dykeman, a.k.a. Field Ass Tyson, a.k.a. the Dominican Dundada, a.k.a. Ben Boston, the precision of a wrist watch from Switzerland. I'll remove your brainstem and replace it with a Fitbit. I don't know exactly why, but at this point, I'm just flexing on your bitch ass. A.k.a. I'll open your medicine cabinet, nigga, secure your benzos, because it's the fucking Zen Man. A.k.a. Rico Sabroso, a.k.a. Baby Newport 2 for 5, a.k.a. Nino Brown, shut the Carter down, a.k.a. East Stream, my Stevie B live from Katona Park. I wanna be the one your DD is fucking. I'm frothing at the mouth right now, bro, because the aggression is so great. But you know who it is from across the pond, mate. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me high as fucking Prometheus. You
know what it is.
Showing these clown ass niggas how to make content. Pulling up from 50. You know who it is. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Bang! If you see me at Target eating exotic Oreo flavors, nigga, respect my agency. Approach me like an earth-sign mammal, nigga. A.k.a. I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. That nigga's high off Caro syrup.
Hope that nigga don't die.
You know what I'm saying? Papi, tírame la pista. Hasan is insane. El locksmith todos los viernes. El hijo de Tito y FIFA bajando caro. Yo soy una planta. Conéctate, mami, que te voy a dar luz. Más frío con el malito, más caliente con fogón. No te cruces cayendo con el cañón. Con un pene más largo que el de Rambo. Tápate el pecho que está frío, mamá huevo.
What the fuck?
I ain't even gonna say your name. I feel like Jadakiss when Jadakiss had people. He's like, I ain't even gonna say your name. I'm gonna drop a refrigerator off your head.
Let's make some shit claro, okay? Because my energy levels right now are so spicy, I might take my pants off. All right, niggas might see my foreskin. I'm in my feelings right now, and now also I'm gonna break my voice on Twitch on some Carl Thomas.
There's
shit.
No voice cracking here. You heard the intros. There's no crackage of the voices.
We're gonna talk. They're not wasting a lot of time on this because the art is for the people.
That's right.
And we're just gonna deal with this off the rip.
Yeah.
We're from the Bronx. You know what I'm saying? Irregardless. Y'all tight your English faces like that's not a word. Mero lives in New Jersey now. You know what I'm saying? I'm still in the Bronx. At the end of the fucking day, I am from the Bronx.
You know what I'm saying?
Mero is from the Bronx.
That bloodline is there.
If you throw shots at us, we only know how to respond one way.
With fire.
And that's to overdo it.
Yep.
When you watch World Star Hip Hop, there's definitely always a Spanish lady at the end saying, what?
Papi,
Stop!
Papi,
He's down already.
He's dead, papi. Papi está muerto. You're gonna cry. His head is bleeding.
Okay? The Brad has never taken shots at anybody. You know what I'm saying? Every now and we do little jokes. You know
what I'm saying?
Little jokes. Everyone, and niggas laugh at the shit.
But it's for love. It's for the culture.
It's for love.
You know what I'm saying? The Ebro didn't get his feelings.
We never hurt for shit.
We
don't, you know what I mean? Like, there's shots and then there's shots. You know what I'm saying? Niggas could have bring up pedophilia relations and shit. Or that shit. No.
Nope.
Niggas kept it light. Niggas kept it easy, breezy, wonderful, beautiful cover girl. But nah. Niggas came at us.
Niggas want to. Niggas
we responded. You know what I'm saying?
That's it.
And that's it.
That's it.
That's it. We're done. We're not talking on topic no more.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
It's over and it's done
over.
With. To close it with a nice little button, as the illustrious LeVar Ball says, stay in your lane.
There you go.
And it's
also,
over.
as LeVar Ball says, never lost.
Never lost.
Never lost. The brand is so fucking strong. Let's go.
Go cop a Christmas sweater right now.
Shout out to Bodega Hive out there with the death threats online. I see you guys. You're doing a lot.
Holding it down.
Doing a lot with that die for the Hive.
I mean, maybe don't die, you know.
You know what I'm saying? Die for the Hive, don't be killed for the Hive.
Yes.
I'm saying, you know, if niggas fall on knives, you know what I'm saying?
These things happen.
Whoa, this guy fell on bullets.
Whoa,
what you doing here?
What's going on here?
Hey, sorry for the little break, you know what I'm saying? But you know what? We needed to recharge. Niggas need to get the... Listen, Niggas need to get the battery back, and the battery is back, baby.
Oh my God.
We back on some Desus versus Mero energy right now, nigga.
Niggas is on 100% and still plugged into the charger.
Yeah,
nigga. You know what I'm saying?
I'm about to bag up after this and not even have niggas to sell to, just to see if I still got it. Fuck that.
My eye.
Nigga, I was in the dark last night cleaning guns, okay? With a blindfold on, seeing if I still knew how to open the PPK. Listen.
Come on, man.
How you mad at us?
Come on,
niggas, and then niggas are like, we not the underdog. We always is the underdog.
We were always the underdog.
You would stay the underdog. We not where we're at. We're not supposed to be here.
We're not.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, like Cam said in Killer Season, B, this shit was not scheduled for us,
no.
B. But yet here we are. You should be happy for us instead of trying to tear us down.
That's the definition of a hater. Like, you see a nigga, you see people doing well, and you just take shots at them for no reason, and not for no reason. Like, we did it for we do jokes, and then niggas just threw the mad shot. Nigga came through with the fucking, what's that, the Warthog in Call of Duty. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We had to, I had to run inside the shelter. My screen is shaking. But you know what? I came back.
Fuck it, nigga. We recharged.
Recharged.
One with the akimbo fucking PATs.
Came back with the 50 cal, and I tried to shoot you down, but I knew you could only fly by 6 times, nigga. That's right. Woo.
Yo, just watch your mouth when you speak on niggas' names, bro. That's all I got to say.
Listen, as the illustrious goddess of the second goddess of the Bronx, Cardi B is all hail her. As Real Dream Door says, everything nice. Talk to me nice. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? You know what I'm saying?
None of this spice.
No one wants the spice. The Spice Girls is done. All right? I don't want no paprika. I don't know Tammin.
No cardamom.
I don't want none of that.
No ginger, nigga.
I don't want nothing.
Fuck that.
Talk to me the way white people make chicken. All right? No spice in that shit. Boil that shit before you talk to me.
Nigga, and then bring it, put it on a plate.
I don't think we've had this energy since the Tax Stone podcast. Yo, free the homie.
Free the homie Tax Stone, baby. Free all the homies, man. Fuck out of here.
You know what I'm saying? That's why we squash internet beef. You know what I'm saying? You see how it could go.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas start talking spicy on the internet, then they get laid down.
Niggas go, you know what I mean?
Then you seen us, they don't do podcasts and stay greens.
All niggas want to do is spend time with their kids or their sneakers and collect checks.
That's it, bro.
That's all. We ain't here to listen.
We ain't causing
like every rapper said in the early 2000s. We ain't here to hurt nobody. We just want to party and drink Bacardi.
That's it, bro.
That's it. Jagged Edge said it. Nelly said it.
Nelly said it. Everybody, come on, son.
Come
on, man.
Oh man.
But in happier news, we lost Melo a while ago. The Knicks.
Oh no! Did we lose Melo or did we find Melo? We find Melo. We found love in a hopeless place.
We did.
Called Michael Beasley. Bees in the trap. You know what it is.
He said he was Melo from the left side. I think he's Melo from the whole side.
He's Melo from the garden. Melo looking like, damn, they turned on me bad fast.
Bad fast. Now we got love for you, Melo. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, we don't. I made the new photo. You saw the new Photoshop of Michael Beasley with the guy praying?
That's getting used a lot now.
Yo, listen. Nah, my man Beasley was putting it on people yesterday.
Yo, he wasn't playing.
Listen, that's what happens. You give people a chance. They make it happen.
They make it happen, bro. They use use opportunities positively.
Damn, I know Bill Simmons was crying. CeCe was crying. Everyone in Boston was crying in there.
No, Boston's the best team in the league. They can beat Cleveland.
You're crying your potatoes and your fucking your green malt, I guess you drink all the time because there's always St. Patrick's Day up there.
That's right.
They had to pause The Departed like,
damn.
Hey, my favorite part.
Hey. Listen, just relax. It's just one game. Go pray to Gordon Howard's ankle.
They're playing the sad version. Yeah, they put on the sad acoustic version of Dropkick Murphys.
Y'all niggas got Dropkick last night. Fuck out of here.
Knicks best thing. Listen, I don't need no facts. What have facts done? If facts mattered, Trump would not be president.
That's right.
So you know what? Fuck that. We said that. We might have ruined America. Because you got to hear both sides, and facts don't matter.
Facts don't matter.
Facts haven't mattered in quite some time.
Will Smith said 2 + 2 = 5. So facts really don't matter.
They don't matter. Even though Will Smith is worth $250 million, he about to drop the wild flop film, and you know what? He going to be all right.
He's going to be all right.
He's dropping flop films, and he's untouchable, because that's the level we about to be at.
Come on.
Let me tell you a couple things about the brand, okay?
We could drop a straight dud. We going to stay up.
Can we even drop a dud?
We can't. It's impossible.
I'm not gassed right here.
Niggas ain't duddable.
If you Bodega Hive, every time you've seen a live show, that is a different live show than the last live show.
Were you not entertained?
You know what I'm saying? We're not up there reading scripts.
No.
There's no fucking... Like, we don't have the jokes written inside.
No.
The Boston show was just for Boston.
You know what I mean?
DC show, Chill Mo, Kill Mo, my phone popped.
That's for y'all.
That's just for DC.
You know what I'm saying?
All right? Don't ever get it twisted that we do not create.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
If we do a live show in Alaska,
out of nothing.
Out of thin
Out of
air,
nothing.
dog.
Out of nothing.
Original content. Let me tell you niggas something. All you niggas trolling the internet for content, we ain't doing that. We're making the content that y'all are trolling the internet for,
and
all right?
like, oh, Desus and Mero feeling themselves. Can they really do that? You know what? You want to see us make content out of nowhere? Boom. We got a new show coming on CBS right now. It's a Spanish Santa and his dope fiend elf. Let's go.
Right.
Boom.
Bang.
Ho, ho, ho. Llegué aquí, papi. I have a present for you. I have a hookah. I have my elf, Julio, here. He's with me. How you doing, Julio? You have the present?
Santa, could you slow down? I feel a little cold.
Papi, what happened to the PlayStation? That's not a PlayStation. What happened? It's not in the sleigh no more.
No, I lost it, but you got a lighter?
You lose it? Papi, I don't think you lose it. I think you're using it to smoke the dope, papi. I'm gonna have to talk to you. We're gonna have to talk to you again in the no fault, papi, okay?
Rudolph owes me 20. You think he could see me on that? Because I'm getting the chills.
No, papi, his nose is red from the perico.
Boom, nigga. 5 fucking million committed.
No, you
fucking
can't
Seth
do that.
Rogen, nigga. You
Nigga,
niggas
that's a
can't do that.
Pixar movie.
Fuck out of here.
Nigga, you could sell 4 Harvard writers in a room. For 2 weeks, they couldn't come up with that shit.
Fuck out of here. Niggas is dickheads.
Nigga, when my parents floated here on a door from Jamaica with just a goat and 4 bitcoins.
Talk to him.
This is why they came to America.
Yes.
This is why.
That's right.
I'm sorry, I'm getting emotional.
I'm getting emotional.
Nah,
we're not getting emotional, nigga. And we're not playing Super Mario.
Nigga, I ain't
or we
Clark
getting emotional.
Thomas. Nigga,
Fuck
I'm
outta
not
here.
in a comfy sweater.
Ain't no turtlenecks over here, nigga. Just
All
on
right?
the dicks.
I'm not driving around. Damn it, nigga! I'm trying to scare niggas now. You gotta break it up.
Foskins are scary, nigga. Foskins are scary to some inexperienced people.
You ever pull it out and some girls like, whoa, whoa.
Shit, what the fuck is that?
Oh, I gotta go. Call my Uber.
Is there a button I press to drop it? Is it like a convertible?
What is that, Arthur?
Yeah, it's been a long 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? It's been a mad shit happening.
That shit, but you know what? We still here.
You know what I mean?
That's the thing about this. We do this for y'all.
Come on, B.
Like, I was like, yo, and I'm not even gonna lie. I was like, yo, I'm a little burned out with the podcast. Like, the shit is, we do a lot
of work.
It's a lot of work.
And look, and it seems easy. It seems effortless. And to an extent it is, but it's still, you got to go to a place, you got to show up, you got to put the work in, and you got to work. Nigga, this ain't the game.
But the thing is, and this is what I realized this week, the podcast has reached a point, it's not about us.
Oh, no.
We do the podcast for the Bodega Boys.
But yeah.
Because people are just like, yo, you get me through the week. You get me through, my grandmother died.
Yep.
I got cancer, or whatever. You know, I'm going through depression and shit.
Yep.
As like, the fact that people tune in to listen to us ramble, that's like the greatest feeling in the world.
It's amazing.
Like,
it's amazing.
You cannot buy that feeling.
Remember
all the shit we talk about, money and going to Knick games and buying, like driving the Range Rover, the 228 Range Rover HSE, which is very wonderful, has a wine cooler in the
diesel
back.
engine.
Oh my God.
You know what I'm saying?
Shuts off at the light.
Incredible mileage.
You're reducing your carbon footprint.
Come on, let's be real.
Be sure to
You know what I mean?
check out your local Range Rover dealer in Paramus, New Jersey. Range Rover's like, yes.
Yes, I love
product placement.
But not for real. Like,
it's the best feeling in the world.
Harken back to to our younger days when we was the niggas on the train with the headphones on, listening to 2014, listening to whatever, a mixtape, just to get through the day, to get to your whack job,
to get through your shit.
You know what I'm saying?
And now we are blessed.
Yes,
to do that.
We are what was our DJ drama mixtape.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
So we do not take that lightly. So that's why when people come at the brand and people's like, niggas is corny or whatever. No, we know what we got is good because you guys fuck with it.
That's it.
So that's why we do it for that.
The people have spoken.
You know what I'm saying?
It don't matter what 4 or 5 burner accounts say, nigga.
All right? It's die for the hive. We will also die for the hive.
Straight
Don't
up.
get that shit twisted.
Do not get it twisted, bro. I'm ready to, like Biggie said, nigga.
If I die for the hive, though, it's going to be a Netflix special. I gotta get like 30 mil.
Hell yeah.
Look at this.
Come on,
See,
fam.
look at that, man. The iconic photo of us at Crown Fried Chicken.
In our natural element. At a Kennedy Fried eating fucking
That's
a 2-piece.
Mero forever, man.
It's not changing.
In Crown Fried Chicken.
Don't matter.
Listen.
They're going to have to build one in Calabasas, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas be doing dabs in L.A., but when we come back on the block, we back on the block.
We'll get them fucked up.
Nigga,
Bro, please.
Nigga, I might drop an album tonight. Victor losing all his hair this week because he gonna worry because he know I'm about to do some wild hood shit.
Yo,
fuck avoid. I'm going to Booker's just to see if I still got it, nigga.
You know
see if
what
I can still make a fucking pillow out of jeans.
Hey, you know what? Victor ain't even worried. He's sitting here with the rich nigga cross-leg maneuvers, twirling his luxurious curls because he knows the bail money is on deck.
Oh, man.
The lawyer money is on deck.
Listen.
And there's a surplus.
Also, shout out, just what's hilarious about all this beef with an unnamed DJ I won't mention is tarnished something beautiful. 1 week ago, 4 years ago.
That's right.
We launched Desus versus Mero.
That's right.
Shout out to Complex.
You know what I mean?
Shout out to Donnie Quad. Shout out to Noah.
You know what I mean?
Shout
Joe
out to
LaPuma.
Richie Ananelli. All everybody. To giving us that chance right there.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? It came. And 4 years later, niggas at our necks.
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas like we the bullies and shit.
Yeah.
Fuck, I'll be
But
that.
notice
I'll be that.
that none of the main people over there are saying nothing because they understand the game.
Ooh.
You know what I mean? Like nobody starts. Everything is a progression, B. Like if we were still doing a YouTube show, you niggas should be disappointed in us because we have been growing the strength of the brand exponentially on LeBron HGH levels since we started. You know what I'm saying? And that's
Shout out
the
to
way it's
everyone
gonna
that's
continue.
like, yo, I see you like my kids. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
That's why we do it, dog.
That's why we do it,
That's
nigga.
why we do it.
Yo, you too can live like Salvatore Ferragamo, my nigga. Come
Okay.
on. Let's get it. You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? We just trying to like think. You know what I was even thinking about? I was thinking about everything we've accomplished this year.
Yeah.
And out of everything we've accomplished, I think the biggest thing we did, and like no other podcast is doing shit like this, Bodega Dreams.
Yeah.
Like we gave listeners of the podcast money, and niggas was hyped.
You know
And
what I'm
now, like I remember Shorty, we gave her money to get a stethoscope for her medical class.
Yep.
That's like $200. No big deal.
No big deal.
But she didn't have the $200 for it. And her tweet about thank you. Like that's what it's about.
That's it.
It's about giving back.
And like you
Niggas
said,
gave you a chance, now you trying to give other people a chance.
That's it, bro.
We got the BX Academy. We got the art school in the Bronx.
come on, man.
Why would you, what,
Shout out to Pink Rain, shout out to Anna Sosa, all the kids over there flourishing when they could be on the block. They're not in the block. They're in the art studio.
We changing
creating.
lives. Let us live.
Come on,
dog.
man.
Let's
Like
live,
that's the
man.
difference between us and other unnamed people. We uplift the youth. We don't exploit the youth.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
I'm not uploading any Chicago videos under Chirac
You know
or
what I mean?
anything. But
Nope.
you know what?
Never.
It's cool.
But hey.
It's cool. Jay said, Jay explained it all.
Yeah.
Jay explained it all. But it's cool, man. We out here. Just gotta breathe.
Yeah. Let the beat breathe.
Just would like to shout out Victoria Cook,
Mm-hmm.
named by one Cranes magazine as one of the leading women lawyers in NYC.
Yo, one time for Victoria.
You know what it
Mazel
is.
tov.
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying? I'm blowing the shofar right now in your honor.
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the money team.
You already know.
Victoria, Victor, Christina.
You know what I mean? Holding
In
it
the
down.
4 years, have maneuvered us like the Titanic.
Oof.
We have Eurostep many icebergs. You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Yo, we Leo and Rose right now on the door,
We
except
on the
none of us
door.
died.
We living out here. Now, that's what it's about. Good people, good manager, people you could trust, people you could
You know what
build
I mean?
with. And you stay with these people because the people you came in the game with are the people that you got to stick with.
That's right.
All right? There's no new niggas shit here.
No.
All right? You stay with your peoples.
No new
You stick
friends.
with your peoples. You fight with your peoples back to back. Like fucking, what was that guy's name? The little Asian guy and Chris Tucker?
Jelly?
Yeah, no.
Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan, there you go.
Damn. Was that racist that I said it was Jelly?
Well, I think it was more racist. I said a little Asian nigga.
Okay. There's no
listen.
problematic light in Pro Media Studios.
We
Unfortunately.
gotta install one. When you buy a problematic light, that's one of the. Oh wow, that's one of the merch we gotta offer. A problematic light.
Problematic
for people
light.
to deck. Wow. Listen, Victor is
That's
on
right.
it.
He's
we
on
getting
it.
you guys the merch.
Yes. I see the West Coast people, the Midwest people be like, yo,
You know,
I don't live in
people's
New
like,
York.
yo.
Why can't y'all put the shit?
That's
it's
just,
coming,
you know what?
bro.
We feel your pain because as a Bodega Hive member, if you were in fucking Omaha
Yeah.
and we like, yo, you could get these Bodega Hive sweaters in Washington Heights. You're like, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
Ain't no Washington Heights in Omaha.
Ain't no heights, period. Nigga. It's just Omaha Street.
What we gonna do? We're gonna find mad small towns all over America and do like real quick pop-ups.
Do some Kanye shit.
And like fucking racist ass towns and shit. Just make niggas mad tight and shit. You're gonna have like the fucking KKK out there like, this is sundown town. I'm like,
Yeah.
sun's still up.
Yo.
Sun's still up. I got 5 more sweaters. How you feel? Hey, put that torch out.
Hey, we're in Tuscaloosa at Bass Pro Shops.
Hey.
Doing a free giveaway.
The Grand Marshal's like, yeah, I hate you niggas.
I
but
hate you,
my
goddamn
son
niggas.
loves you guys. Can
They
you sign a
love you.
picture?
Hey,
Take a picture. The brand is strong.
Brand is strong, y'all.
Brand is strong.
Hey,
listen. Someone take a picture of me and these two moon crickets.
comedians. I love y'all.
I love y'all niggas. I seen your Wild Out episode.
Oh shit.
Oh man.
Yo, Cardi just did something major too. I feel like
She did Fallon. She killed it on a Fallon interview.
Fallon. Yeah, shout
I mean,
out to her.
shout out to her.
Yo, the Bronx is
the
winning,
Bronx
man.
is representing our Fallon.
Oh, wow.
We out here.
Wow.
That's the thing. Like we out here on some that we're not out here giving ourselves the dick flu solo. Even though some people are like this whole episode's been the dick flu solo.
I mean, it's just
Probably.
they're facts.
But also, I would like to point out, if you could suck your own dick, you would.
You would.
You would. That changed. If at 15 you realize you could suck your own dick,
Life would be different.
if it's like a lot different.
You know what I'm saying? I might not have 4 kids.
Listen, it's like,
That's not Rob De Niro shit. I'm not on that.
yeah, wow. That's definitely a CBS sitcom. He's sucking his own dick.
Sucking his own cock.
It's like I walk in the room like, Mero! Like you turn to the camera with the thumbs up like, wow.
Yo.
I sit down, I'm like,
What is this? It's my dick sucking chair. Mero, you're not supposed to sit there.
Mero, you spilled coffee creamer everywhere. You're like, it's not coffee creamer. I'm like,
I mean, but it is a little haze nut. You feel me?
And then Mero, like Victor just walked through the door, but he stops and he's just like, hey! And it's like, he just go by one name.
Nigga comes in like Kramer, just slips on a pile of cum and shit. Like,
It's in his hair! No!
It's nourishing. It's actually really nourishing.
Wow.
Oh my
He comes back the next day like, I need the texture.
You got any more?
Oh, wow.
nigga comes with a jug.
Can you fill this for me?
That's so fly. It's like,
Victor!
like Victor's girlfriend is like, what? He won't tell me what conditioner he's using.
Nigga says his own beauty line and shit. It's just me in the back of a fucking Bed Bath & Beyond, like jerking off furiously. Like, Victor's like, faster! Faster!
What do you need? I can't go anymore. Look, my hands are red. I'm like, oh, you got to. You have to. I need midget porn.
I'm like, die for the hive, start jerking you off.
I'm sorry, little people porn.
Oh, see,
See? You know what I'm saying? Yes. We're growing.
I listened to one of our old episodes and wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Also key, and I think a lot of people are missing this from the beef. I literally did one episode of Desus vs. Mero with an open wound on my head from being in a gang fight the night before.
Like
that's the kind of life we were living.
Like, don't.
Like now, if I come outside and my car's not right in front of my house, I'm discombobulated.
Like, what's going on?
I'm like, whoa. Like, I have to get smelling salts. I'm like, whoa. Someone put me on a fainting bench.
Yo, fam, I called Victor in a panic earlier, and I was like, yo, I'm on 17th Street. I gotta get to 50th. Uber's gonna take too long. How do I take the train?
Fam, I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I was like, I forgot to move the car. Nah. That's our life now.
No.
That's our life now.
Niggas got driveways now and shit.
You know what I'm saying? This shit, the come up, it's real.
Yes.
And the best part of the come up is we're just two regular guys from the Bronx. So if we could do it, y'all could do it.
You could do it.
Y'all could do it.
You could do
and y'all
it.
could do it and not be dickheads and shit on other people and not exploit the community of Chicago by showing violent videos of people dying, making fun of Dwayne Wade's niece when she got a cousin when she got clapped, or perhaps, I don't know, raising the profile of a pedophile. But you know what?
And just promote it.
We just over here.
Yeah,
we just over here. We not we Switzerland, baby.
Yeah.
We don't bother niggas.
We don't bother nobody.
We don't bother nowhere. We just came to party.
That's it.
We just came to party, dog.
Come on, dog. We came to the party with no burner, dog, because we thought it was all peace.
Oh no, we brought the burner.
Yeah, but it's in the car.
Burner's here. No, the burner's here. Not in the car. That shit's right here. That shit's right here. I can't Millie Rock because that shit might drop on the floor. Free tax.
Yeah, free tax.
And then niggas was like, yo, y'all wild old and shit. I was like, yeah. That means we've survived the hood.
Yeah, fam.
That shit is, okay, let me put it in words y'all can understand. Being old in the hood is like Xbox achievements.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Fam.
It takes a lot to be old in the hood.
Fam, when I turned 34, I got a certificate. Like, niggas was like, yo, you made it. It was like I graduated. Like, yo, you made it. You survived everything.
Hood culture is so stupid because it has this whole embracing being young.
Yeah.
It's like, do everything you can while you're 22, 23, 24. Like, do mad pills and shit, buy cars and shit. And then what happens when you hit 30? And now you're like, yo, I have no life plan for here. I was going to be a SoundCloud rapper. Shit didn't work out. Now what?
Now what? Now you got to go work at H&R Block
now
during tax season.
You mad at niggas for surviving out the hood? For niggas that didn't get shot, niggas that didn't get locked up, Niggas that didn't get AIDS, didn't die.
feel
Niggas that
me?
didn't like kill themselves and shit.
Come on.
You mad at niggas for living? That's the problem with the black community and the brown community in general. Like, there's
Crabs in a
no,
bucket.
there's no lust for life. There's
Mm-hmm.
no, you don't look at being old as an accomplishment. You look at being old as like a punishment.
Oh, it's over.
Oh,
it's
fuck.
over for me. I'm
You
washed.
that old. You can't.
You corny. You don't
Like, come on.
understand anything.
Every
Fam.
other racial group, every other ethnicity,
Oh yeah.
they embrace old people. You embrace your grandma.
What?
Don't you want to be someone's grandpa
Fam.
or somebody? Don't you want to like have kids? Don't you want to like change the culture and shit?
Fam, perfect example. White people worship Bob Dylan.
Exactly.
I have no idea
Exactly.
why. The nigga sounds like a goat that's getting fucked by a bigger goat when he sings.
America.
You know what I'm saying? But white people love him and
They love
celebrate
him.
him,
They
bro,
love
and give
him.
him awards every fucking month. Why can't we do that?
You know what I'm saying? Hip hop in general turns on niggas.
It does.
We've done it.
Yeah,
I mean, we're older now. We get it.
you get it.
That was 2014.
It was on our younger days.
But it's like niggas getting mad at Jay-Z. They're like, oh, he's old. Remember, Future said Diddy's too old to be in his
Old ass
section.
nigga coming with just a rock, old ass nigga.
Future, one day,
You may
be old.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
cool it on the SERP, my guy, and you might make it to Diddy's age.
but like, yo, this is just
Nope.
disrespect. And it's just like, I get it. You like, oh, old niggas is washed and old niggas is corny and shit. There's a reason people become washed and corny because you realize like all that hot boy shit does not end well
It
for you.
doesn't end well, dog.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Doesn't end well.
I miss running around New York City with an illegal gun on my waist?
Yeah.
Perhaps.
Yeah. It
Do
was
I
fun.
know what will happen if I get caught with an illegal gun on my waist?
Oh yeah.
Do I want to be masturbating in a room with 30 other guys
No.
for 3 years?
No. You do not want to do that. Trust
That's
me.
the thing. Being older, you learn a special thing called repercussions. Mm-hmm. That's
And
what changes
wisdom.
everything.
Wisdom.
Wisdom.
You know what I'm saying?
Like I always say, like the OGs say, correction isn't punishment. Mm-hmm. You gotta learn these things.
Yeah.
And y'all out here, you doing boot gang shit, you jumping through niggas' tables, all that shit catches up with you, my guy.
Yes, sir.
You gotta get in front of that before it gets in front of you.
Jump
'Cause
through
if
the
you
wrong
don't have-
motherfucking table.
Listen, as I always say, if you don't have a plan B,
Woo.
someone else has a plan B for you. And that shit usually involves cuffs.
Yeah.
So,
Like a B for fucking
damn,
butt
niggas is
fucking.
preaching today. Woo! Niggas is preaching. We about to get this church popping. Oh, me and Mero about to fleece all y'all niggas.
Can't wait till I pull up with the acoustic guitar and start singing Jesucristo es mi santo.
Hey. Here for the global ministry, it is my brother, Pastor Mero, El Padre.
I want to bless everybody one time with the illustrious holy smoke from the hookah of Bodega.
Whoa, that's gelato. Nigga, that's gelato. This nigga just blowing out weed. It's like fucking, I know fucking baby walking around with the little cancer and shit.
Whole front row catching the Holy Spirit, like, oh shit,
Oh
nigga.
shit.
Goddamn.
Niggas is smashed.
I'm hungry as fuck.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yo.
My Caribbean
Yeah.
ministry
You know what I'm
come
saying?
true. You know what it is.
Country's still in shambles, though. You know what I'm saying? Trumpito's still your president. You know what I'm saying?
You know what
blah,
I'm saying?
blah, blah, blah,
But
blah.
you know what?
Tax
As
plan.
long as Trumpito's the president, you still got us.
Yeah.
To get you through the shit, dog.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You know what I'm saying?
You're welcome. And
And
we're,
once again-
you're welcome, and we're welcome for y'all.
Yeah.
Because listen, it's symbiotic. It's
It is.
symbiotic.
It's very symbiotic.
It's
We-
symbiotic.
We
We need-
feed
we
off
need
your
each other.
energy.
We need each other.
You know what I mean?
Listen, it's like they said in Outkast. You know what I'm saying? If the fans don't listen or some shit like that, I don't know. I'm drinking.
Yeah.
But you know what I'm saying? If y'all don't listen to the podcast, who the fuck listens to the podcast? You know what I'm saying?
That's it.
Podcast does numbers though.
It does, yo. Y'all niggas better stop fronting, bro.
Men lie, women lie.
Numbers do
Numbers don't
not
lie.
fib,
Numbers
pal.
do not the fib.
Okay?
Okay?
Eh? So check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Dun. That's the Ice Cube and Gus Effects one. Yeah, the watch one. Everyone's like, oh, shit. The chicken to wreck yourself before you wreck yourself. And I know Ice Cube goes, cause big dicks in your ass is bad for your health. I was like, whoa. Like, what?
Whose health are we talking about here, guy? Let's be inclusive here.
Shout out to Ice Cube. Shout out to our big homie with the big B, Baron Davis.
yeah,
just
that's right.
You know what I'm saying? That's another thing. Like, you don't really be hanging with Trump niggas.
Come on,
like,
dog.
yo.
These are real dudes with
Like,
real backgrounds.
You know what I'm saying? And if like real dudes respect the brand.
That's it.
That's the thing. You know what I'm saying? No,
Fam.
like you can ask any scary dude if they've been in the room with us. They always are like, yo, Y'all real niggas.
I fuck with y'all.
Y'all move like real niggas.
I fuck with y'all niggas.
It's never been. We've never been around somebody and be like something. French Montana, what he said. Y'all remind me of the Bronx. Y'all make me miss the Bronx and shit. Diddy loved our energy and shit.
See,
we've been around criminals. Criminals
Black
fuck with us. Give us their phone number. Like, yo,
All
I got
that.
you that brick shit.
Come on, man.
You know what I'm
Jason Sudeikis pulled up in a Vespa and drank Henny with us.
and
It was like, I'll fuck with y'all. I need y'all phone numbers.
You know what I'm
B.
saying? We talking real coke prices
You know
with
what I mean?
Jeezy.
You know what I mean?
This is what we do.
Come on, son.
It's still Jesus and Mero, baby.
It's on a different level, bro.
It's just on a different level.
On a different level, bro.
You know what I'm
We still us. Same OG.
you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? We can only be we.
Still got the gem star under the tongue.
You know what I mean?
Still got.
I wasn't joking. I would have wished that we could have sent a PA out to get the razor, and I would have just did the shit all flicky.
Nigga, I'm nice with the double-edged razor under the tongue. I'm nice with the Guyanese shit. Okay? Listen.
Don't get it confused, bro.
Lehman High School ain't raised no pussies.
Come on, man.
Okay?
I
And
told
then niggas
you.
like, that was a long time ago. But high school is your definitive years.
For real.
Okay? And especially on New York City high school.
Oh, my God.
Because that's what, you get tight now because niggas roasting you. Every day in New York City high school, you get every period, every minute. Niggas are trying, it's either roast or get roasted.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So if you want buns, if you want pussy, you know what I'm saying? You gotta put that pop on that. If you want pussy,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? You couldn't walk to gym.
You couldn't, bro.
You know what I'm saying? You getting your mother to write notes and shit about you having panic attacks at home because you don't want to change the locker room
he
for the
needs to
other
escort. I said, listen, from being in the school and from working in the school, I had to escort several buns niggas that had loud mouths to gym so they wouldn't get rocked in the hallway on their way to gym for talking spicy to somebody that they should not have been talking spicy to.
When your man Craig was talking wild reckless to me at Liebe High School, what did I do? Did I go home and cry?
No.
Did I tell my parents? No. I got the kitchen knife. Okay, I brought the shit to school and I was like, let's do this.
Yeah, I'm
This is
about
my
to
mother's knife for a finger hut, my nigga.
That's right.
She's gonna know the shit is missing.
She's gonna be
So
tight.
I gotta use this shit.
Nigga, I'm gonna spread you like locks
So
on a
what you
bagel,
want?
nigga.
What you want? All right, this ain't no figure four leg lock. Nigga, I'm gonna cut one of your capillaries. Let's go. All right, and he
Come on,
calmed down
man.
after that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Music makes
come on,
a
man.
thug calm down.
Damn, that's a
Also,
joint.
I realized because we are older, the music we listened to was more a little rougher.
a little more violent.
It's a little more
I would
rougher
say,
because
yeah.
everyone was like, "Oh, I'm on Xannies." Like niggas wasn't on Xannies.
No.
Niggas was on the train like, "Yo,
I'm on
MOP'd
angel
up.
dust,
You know
nigga.
what I'm saying?
I'm trying to kill
I'll
somebody.
Kill everybody here. You know what I'm saying? I was listening to what was it, Pete Rock, Strange Fruit with fucking Tragedy Gaddafi. You know what I'm saying? Fucking Sticky Fingers and shit. Niggas like, oh, that's the watch niggas. Them watch niggas will fuck you up.
Well, make sure, yo.
That music back then, that was rough music to get you through rough times in a rougher New York.
Yep.
New York is mad soft right now, and I'm saying it, and I'm thinking we restoring the flavor right
That's
now.
it.
Fuck that.
We keep it the Bronx. Listen,
Bronx been the Bronx, Bronx stay in the Bronx.
that's right. And
All right?
like Traj, all those dudes, that was like workout music for walking on the block.
That
You know
was
what I'm
workout
saying?
music for when you was in the bullpen,
You know
all
what I
right?
mean?
Before niggas put you on that fucking bus or the boat to Rikers and shit.
Like, then you know the fucking-
you lock it real quick, do some push-ups so niggas see your pec.
That's right.
When you gotta bend over and cough so niggas can see you ain't boofing nothing onto the island.
That's right. When you're in a corrections bus on the concourse headed down and you screaming out the window, yo, pass me a cigarette through the window till your man's on the block.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck
Niggas,
out of here.
niggas got you in the fucking Department of Corrections, Carhartt jacket, you a medium, but they give you the large because there's nothing left. And you get on niggas trying to roast you and shit.
Fuck
As soon as
outta here.
niggas take that shackle off you, gotta duff that nigga on the line to intake.
That's right.
Okay, this is. Listen,
Listen, that's the energy we bring in, bro.
that's the energy.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen,
but it's
forget-
all towards, it's channeled towards positivity. You feel me?
I like that.
You know what I mean?
That.
The aggression is channeled
'Cause I
towards
feel like I'm
positivity
regressing
and
right
growth.
now, my nigga.
Yeah, nah, you gotta be, bro, because yo, niggas, bro, don't look.
Niggas taking me back, bro.
Look, that's what it is. That's what it is.
That's what they want. They want. There's crabs in the barrel.
Yeah, nah.
Niggas like, oh, if I'm gonna be fucked up and be down here, you gonna be
Yeah.
fucked up and down here with
Nah,
me.
fuck
We trying to
that.
get out, and niggas want us to win. And you know what I'm saying? I don't want to go back to. Listen, I don't want to go back to Dusty Cornrow Jesus.
Nah,
I
man,
don't.
I
Victor don't
can't,
want
bro.
that. Victoria don't want that. Christine don't want that. You know what I mean?
Man, you niggas don't want me to put the Mesquines back on, bro.
You know what I mean?
You niggas don't want that. Come on,
Niggas don't
B.
want me ordering gun oil off of eBay because you can't
No.
legally buy it in New York State
Come
without
on, fam.
getting fucking ATF on you. You know
You
what I'm
niggas
saying?
want me to go legally register my home defense weapon. That's what you want.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? You don't want me to be running around here with a fucking jammed up old ass gun that
You know what
10
I'm saying?
niggas done use, got 15 bodies on it.
Niggas want
You know
us
what
on
I'm
the
saying?
corner. Niggas don't want us eating pickles with Jimmy Fallon.
Come on.
It's so hurtful.
Come on,
Don't
B.
y'all want to be happy?
Come on, just be happy for
But
us.
be happy. Also, be sure to hit the Pro to store. You know, we got them Bodega Boys.
Yeah, boy, Two Henshaw.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
Henshaw, you know what I'm saying?
Also, very
if you don't know
close.
what that is, it's like right around the corner from La Marina.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, right when you get off Dykeman Street exit, it's right there.
It's
What's
right
that
there.
first left? Boom,
It's
right
right
there. Taller Peralta.
Oh, man.
You know what I mean?
But
it's right
yo.
across from Cloisters Grill, which has amazing burgers.
Hey.
You know what I mean?
Shout out to this episode of Home Hunters fucking Washington Heights edition with the kid Mero. Actually, HGTV, holla at us.
Holla at
Me
us.
and Mero can sell the shit out of some houses.
For real.
Mero knows about shit. He
You know
was,
what I mean?
everyone that's Bodega Hive, you probably know about mudrooms only because Mero mentioned mudrooms.
Please.
That's how I know about mudrooms.
You're welcome.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
So
Mudroom
he
Mero.
knows about mudrooms. I know about open floor plans.
That's it.
Boom, what else you need?
Come on. Who else would you want decorating your crib besides the two of us? You know what I'm saying?
But WB Mason.
You know what I mean? We'll have your shit looking like Swiss Beats. Nigga, you'll be roller skating around your crib in no time.
Also, shout out to Time Out Magazine. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Be sure to copy yourself a copy.
Yeah.
We on the cover of Time Out New Yorkers of
As
the Year.
what?
New Yorkers of the Year.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
And New York is a very large state and a much larger city, the greatest city in the world.
That's right.
And we are the
In
top
New York.
New Yorkers.
Concrete jungle where something. I don't know.
Little
what she said.
mama,
But
don't jump on stage.
also we got shout out to the Knicks organization.
Yep.
That saw our cover and said they've always been New Yorkers of the Year to us. Can't wait to see them in Celebrity Role
That's
in 2018.
Right. That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
I
When
know
you see
yes,
me
yeah.
tripping Carlo Quinn and be like, ha ha, I'm fucking with you, nigga.
I'm just fucking with you, homie. See you up and down later, my nigga.
nigga. Fix my carburetor, nigga. You know, it's us.
Yo,
It's
come
Bodega
on,
Boys.
man. No, y'all niggas seen us with Robert Pattinson posted
And
up.
I'm like, yo, Steve Chirippa, get your big ass up.
yo, move, yo,
Move.
yo, yo.
Get your nachos and move.
Yo.
We here.
Yo, Allen Houston, I respect that floater that you did in
Yo,
the 90s.
Justin
yo,
Long,
but
guess
you gotta
what?
keep
We're
it
not
moving.
doing Mac commercials anymore. Get up.
Get out.
You out of here.
You know what I mean?
Yo, Enzo, what's up? I got this blunt. Well, you got the baby lungs or not? I know you're a baby driver. What's good?
Got the screener for Baby Driver, by the way.
He won't respond to me on Twitter. I'm sure his manager.
Why?
His manager's like, don't respond to him.
Please, they're too hood.
Actually, I was like, yo, come smoke a blunt with me in the staircase. He was like, no. No, I'm getting the money now. I'm getting that shmoney.
The Fault in My Loud.
It's been a great year for the Bronx. What?
You know what I'm saying?
See? That's what I'm talking about.
Off the
That's
cuff.
what, off the cuff.
You know what I'm saying?
Off the dome.
No written. There's no.
Crime boys, them off the noggin, eh?
Yo, Mike.
Top boys, them.
Man's is hot.
Man's is hot.
You know what I'm saying? So don't fucking forget it.
I couldn't take off my jacket because man's is hot.
You know what I mean?
Man's is actually fainting. Man's is actually have consumption put in the lungs.
Yo.
Man's can't breathe.
Damn.
Man's gonna die.
Yeah.
No, everyone's like, no, actually in Britain they have the National Healthcare
they
Service.
do have-
you just have to wait a long time.
They also have a black princess.
Also, shout out to what's her name, Meghan Markle.
Meghan Markle.
Black Girl Magic.
Yes, that's right.
You
Shout
know
out to you,
what I'm saying?
boo. That's right.
She about to make y'all sick. She gonna be have all the fucking jewels on, taking Instagram photos and shit.
Oh,
I love
boy.
it. I love it.
Can't wait.
Let's slide a little black in everything.
Yeah.
Gotta do.
I can't wait for like somehow Migos to be in Buckingham Palace doing the show. You know what I mean?
Migos, take off. Buckingham. It'll be lit. It'll be lit.
Oh, shit.
You know what I'm saying? Listen, man. You know us. We're all about white genocide.
Things are going good.
Listen, there's enough white people as it is. I didn't laugh at the end of that. I just said it.
White people get nervous like, is he serious?
It's my favorite podcast, but no. But I mean, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. The world is weird right now because low key, I'm disappointed in Trump because I thought Trump would come in on some hot boy shit and like launch nukes.
Yeah.
And all Trump is doing is stealing quarters off like the fucking table in the White House. And
He's
shit.
just like fucking shit up. Like he's just like
he's stealing money, but he's not stealing like his hustle is like he's charged the Secret Service for like golf carts and shit. Like he's not doing like if I was him, I'd be like, I'm making $1 trillion bill.
Yeah.
I'm the only person gonna have it.
That's it. Just
me and my family.
Trillions for me.
But no,
Nobody.
he's like, yo, I got $25,000 for the Secret Service. How you feel? Blah, blah, blah.
you're
Everyone's
tight.
like, yo, that's not big money.
Fam, you're not doing like like you said, like I totally expected him to like nuke North Korea by now, not like that. But this nigga's just like flushing paper towels down the toilet. Like he's just doing little stupid shit. Like you're not doing nothing. Really.
Also, shout out to Trump for reminding us that we are broke because his tax plan only helps rich people
who are really rich.
I thought rich was like, boom. You reach this point, you're rich.
You're rich.
No,
sir. No, sirree.
There's levels of rich.
Oh, yes.
And we,
Absolutely.
I mean, we're richer than that other guy.
Yeah.
But we're not rich.
By a long shot. But
Not
we're
at
not. We're not.
Not
Yeah,
at
we're in
all.
that middle ground.
We're in some weird period. We're in that weird period where you get penalized for being successful.
Yeah.
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 But you know what? We pay our fair share.
Yeah.
We know it helps. It helps Planned Parenthood. It helps you keep your pum pums clean and shit.
You know what I mean?
So
we for all of that. We for
all
Planned
that.
Parenthood. You know what I'm saying?
Listen,
Like,
I'm a union baby. Listen, my mother worked federal employee.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? I understand what taxes go for, baby.
exactly, yo. My mother's living comfortably now because of she was a teacher in a union for, you know what I mean, retired, got her pension.
I remember
and
my
now she's
mother
doing good.
yelling at me when I was like in front of the building trying to sell crack to feed my family. Wait, no, that's Biggie. I'm sorry, I'm getting old. It all blurs together. It was all a dream.
Yeah. But nah, I mean, I'm sure your parents told you the same thing my parents told me. Get a city job, get a union job, get in there, do your 20 years, retire, and live comfortably, invest your money, blah,
No
blah,
bullshit
blah.
aside, sometimes I'll be like, yo, that might be the wave.
You know what I'm saying?
Sometimes it's like this Hollywood shit is not worth it.
You know what I mean?
It's not. You got to put up with bullshit like this.
Yeah, listen.
Like if I worked a regular shitty government job, all I gotta do is flirt with big booty Blender
That's it.
at the fucking coffee machine and
That's
shit.
all.
You know what I mean? Like, oh, your titty's looking nice tonight.
Hey,
You know what I
she's
mean?
like, oh, he's stupid. You talking
I'm
crazy.
like,
You
I got
talking
extra ticket for salsa con fuego. You wanna come through?
Well, where?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit, Bad Bunny's performing tonight. Can I come through?
You know what I'm saying?
I'm with
She
it.
got her Lane Bryant stretch pants and shit.
shit.
She's the wild dub in real life, but in the office she's a 10.
the dime. She's
Ooh.
a dime.
And I just do that for 20 years.
That's it.
Get the wild receding hairline and shit.
That's it,
Every
bro.
day I got coffee breath.
Get hype when, you know what I'm saying? Best
Hype for
Buy-
little dumb shit and shit.
Yeah.
I do those shit like, oh shit, In and Out is doing like happy hour and shit.
Oh, we
shit,
lit.
you could do whatever mixed juices you want.
shit.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, yo, Best Buy got 50% off on the 55-inch
Yo,
HD
we in
TV.
there, ladies,
we
some
in there.
titty.
Oh, shit, it's $200 this week? Oh,
Yo,
let's
are you
get
guys
one.
playing HQ trivia? Let's do it together as a group.
Yeah.
Wow. Yo, did you know Applebee's is doing two samplers for one entree?
Are you serious?
Let's go. I got my Skechers. Let's go, guy.
Ooh, we out.
Ooh.
Come on.
You know what I'm saying? I got my
But yo.
little, every day I check my little Match.com account, see if anyone clicked on my shit. You know what I mean?
Checking the views on shit.
You know what I mean?
Yo.
Go home, talk to my cat.
Yo.
I'm like, one day I'll find you a mother. Is that the Desus y'all want?
No.
Huh? The Desus that tucks it. Can't even watch Jesus can't even watch Jesus and Mero because I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Has to. You gotta be work. You gotta be up at 5:30 in the morning.
I get up early and I work out.
You know
and I
what I
have
mean?
mad abs for no reason because no woman sees them. You want
Y'all
that?
come on,
you want that
man.
sad life from me?
Y'all don't want niggas
don't
in
want
middle
that.
management and fucking Van Heusen shirts, bro. You want us creating the fire content that we provide to you.
Mero, did you know
Very
they
frequently.
added new music to PowerPoint so you can change the background in your PowerPoint presentations?
Oh wow. They have new. They have what are those things?
It's
called?
new clip art.
Oh.
I actually got African American clip art.
Oh,
so
wow.
I'm going to. I don't want to say this too loud. I'm going to be Lily Too Titty. Conference room floor. It could have been us.
It could have been us. But it's not.
It's not.
So be grateful,
That's
man.
never going to be.
Stop coming at niggas next, bro. You don't
Come
want
on,
the smoke.
Listen, who comes at niggas next?
on,
Also, that's the other frustrating thing. Like, being a street nigga is like, Noriega said this. He was like, when you sell drugs and a nigga fuck up a pack or run off with your shit, you could just kill the nigga.
Yeah.
Being in the entertainment,
can't
it's
do
like,
that.
oh, you can't do that because niggas got lawyers.
Yep.
Niggas call the cops on you.
Imagine.
So you know, so you
Imagine
got,
that- imagine this-
you're cuffed. You're
Come
just
on.
like, oh, okay. Can't
know
run
what
up on a nigga. And I mean, I respect it because I don't want a nigga running up on me.
Nah.
But it's just, I would handle myself differently.
Yeah, bro.
But it's like niggas get that little protection and start moving a certain way about the shit. You know what I'm saying? Moving like you can't be touched. The shit is niggas will throw everything away. Like, we're from the Bronx.
Yo, it's an instinct.
It's an instinct.
It cannot be. You can't deny it. You
Listen,
can't push it down.
You can
bro.
adopt a pit bull, but if that pit bull bites niggas when he hears chimes and your fucking doorbell is a chime, if so facto P equals Q.
Yeah.
You
Niggas
know,
is gonna
now,
get bit.
Now your kid is at fucking Monty Fury
know what I
getting
mean?
plastic surgery because fucking Rocky chomped down in his face.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
That's what it is, bro. You know what I'm
that was
saying?
dark.
You got to get dark on niggas sometimes
The
because they
Bronx
need
is
to
dark,
understand.
though.
The
Niggas
Bronx
don't-
is a very
niggas
dark place.
understand.
They don't even turn the street lights on all night. You just got to fucking wander by candlelight down street. Shit is wild out here, man.
Oh man.
But you know what? Everything's going well. Bitcoin
Everything's
is doing
good.
great.
Everything's good. We good. We good money.
Actually, Bitcoin is crashing again.
Is it No, you know what? Bitcoin goes down and comes back up and goes down.
Within like the hour.
Also,
I'm still trying to
bring it up.
I'm still trying
Listen,
to figure it out.
big announcement here from Desus Nice, aka Desus Rice, aka
Hey.
Desus Financial, aka Desus CNBC. I am going on record right now as saying Bitcoin is no longer a Babylon ting.
Okay. So we should invest in Bitcoin.
If you would like to cop some Bitcoin,
Okay.
I'm not saying you should. I'm not saying you shouldn't.
Put me on. How do I cop Bitcoin?
All I'm just saying is It's not a Babylon thing. I've talked to people at Square Cash. Shout out Square Cash. Talked to people at PricewaterhouseCoopers.
Okay.
They said Bitcoin is a real thing.
Okay.
I misunderstood it. I came on here talking all crazy, as we do.
That's
Twitter
what we do.
niggas.
Come on.
Listen, Bitcoin might change your life. It might ruin your life. It's not a Babylon thing.
Roll the dice.
Roll your dice.
If you got the dice you want to roll,
I'm allowing y'all. All I'm saying is, if y'all want to invest in Bitcoin and win, you could be like, Desus was like, okay, good. It's not a Babylon thing. If, say, Desus perhaps buys Bitcoin and cashes out, I don't want y'all to be on Twitter like, you said it was a Babylon thing. You see where I'm going here? Shout out my Coinbase niggas.
Yeah. I had to do it at the Apple store when I went to go update my phone, trying to talk to me for 45 minutes about Bitcoin. And a fucking stock called MTGI being like, this is a mining company, bro. Listen, bro, like, get in early. It's going to be huge, bro. It's going to be huge. And I'm like, I mean, you're working at the
Bitcoin's
Genius
exciting
Bar.
because Bitcoin is like...
It's unpredictable. You don't know
Bitcoin
what's
is like an
happening.
IRA or mutual fund or something like an actual sensible investment.
Yeah.
But it's like, it's on millennials' time because people are like, no, I'm not waiting 4 years. I'm not waiting 5 years. I'm waiting a month at most. I want my money right now.
Because that shit went from what? From like a couple hundred to a couple thousand to now 5 figures?
Mm-hmm.
Like-
It's moving, dog. It's moving. I mean, the shit is...
How do I get Bitcoin? I can guys go to fucking bitcoin.com? Like, how do I do this?
I mean, we're not getting paid for this, so I don't really want to plug them. But if you go, if you check your Square Cash app, if you swipe to the left, you might have the option to buy Bitcoin. Some people have that. So shout out to Square Cash.
Shout out to Square Cash.
Early adopters of Bitcoin. Oh, wow, that worked out perfectly.
Early
Nice
adopters
little
of
plug.
Bitcoin and early adopters of giving back to the community.
Early adopters of us.
You know what I'm saying?
Also.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? We didn't go to Square Cash. Square Cash came to us.
Shout out to Garrett. You know,
You know what I'm saying?
Hold
Niggas say we're not popping. Niggas just saying niggas not popping. And also, yeah, get yourself some Bitcoin. That's the thing. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin either. You could just buy a piece of Bitcoin.
You can buy a piece of Bitcoin?
Yeah. So you buy a piece of Bitcoin, and then that's the thing. The big thing with Bitcoin is holding it.
Yeah.
It's Bitcoin's not cocaine.
It's stock.
You don't gotta move it. That's
Watch
a
it go
good
up
way
and
to think
down.
about it.
You know what I'm saying? It goes up and down, but you know, you buy low, sell high.
Oh wow, this shit is dropping like a rock. Yeah, damn, nigga.
Yeah.
Ah!
I just see the chart on the Twitter. I was like,
Bitcoin money's gone. Nah. It's at 13,000 as the time we are recording this.
all I want to know.
Which is not problematic, except it was at 15,000 yesterday. But the thing is, it will do that and it'll come back up to 15 tomorrow.
15,
So
okay.
don't panic. Just
all
hold.
I want to know is, will Bitcoin in 10 years make me jump out the window of my penthouse suite?
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
Yes. Bitcoin, from what I'm hearing from the experts, this is what listen, I'm about to say something spicy.
Uh-huh.
They're saying a Bitcoin will eventually reach 40K. They're saying not this year, maybe not next year, but eventually. And they're saying it's going to drop significantly before that, though. And that's when everyone's going to like sell their Bitcoin.
Right.
So just, if you got it, just hold it, baby.
Just hold it down.
Just hold it. Listen,
Just put it, set it and forget it.
everything in life is drugs.
Yeah.
Everything in life is the drug
That
game.
is a fact.
If you ever been through the drug game, you understand. Sometimes it's about the drought, the recession. Sometimes you got that break and you're like, no, I'm gonna wait.
I'm gonna wait.
Cause right now the shit's
block
going
is
for
flooded.
15.
Yeah.
Shit's going for 20. I could flip the shit for 40 because niggas can't get shit through.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Like, listen.
I'm gonna just wait for a couple of niggas to get popped. You know what
Exactly.
I'm saying? Oh,
niggas doing raids around the corner
Yeah.
and shit. You like, all right, I just
lay back.
I'm just lay back, nigga.
Yep.
Take my boo to Spa Castle. You know what I mean?
That's it.
Just chill.
Then when
Marinate, get a new tattoo that says only God could judge me.
That's right.
You know
And
what
then
I
when
mean?
I look at News 12 and them niggas is getting arraigned, I hit back. We back
Guess
on the
what?
block.
Guess what? I'm sending out that text. Guess who's back in business? Got them loud packs. But no. I think that's what's so egregious about this whole shit. Like, as, you know, like we've come from the hood and, you know, we've had some success. But at the end of the day, as a person from the Bronx, the biggest disrespect is someone not respecting you.
That is.
Regardless of what
gospel.
you could have a family, you have a Range Rover, you could have property, you could have money in your bank.
Yes.
But at the end of the day,
A nigga
if
disrespect.
a nigga disrespect you,
Oh,
a nigga disrespect,
man.
nigga get the tech to his neck.
Oh God.
Because growing up, you never had nothing.
Nah.
All you had was your name.
And your respect. That's it.
That's all you have.
Yep.
And you know, at the end of the day, you know you could lose all your money. You could lose everything.
Yep.
But your it was
Name still ring bells though.
You know what I'm saying? You can still carry yourself, carry your neck high through any
Yep.
hood.
Oh
know what I'm saying?
damn, that nigga's broke, but yo, he fucked that nigga up.
You know what I'm saying? All right? Because all I'm saying, when niggas was in the Wild Hundreds in Chicago, niggas was showing us love.
Uh-huh.
Other people, I would like to see them walk through that shit all crazy with that same energy
Yeah,
and shit. You know what I'm saying?
eating specialty pizzas that are like pizza.
It's
pies
all
and
good
shit.
though. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. Oh, listen, the real always listen. Shout out to It's the Real.
You know what I mean?
But listen, it's like making cream, baby.
Yeah, bro.
The top is always the best.
The creme de la creme.
The creme de la creme.
You know what I mean?
But you know what? Niggas don't know. Niggas took body. Niggas, inspired by Basquiat, my chariot's on fire. Everyone took shots, hit my body up. I'm tired. Build me up, break me up, build me up again. They're like, Jesus Mero, we need you back so we can kill your ass again.
Well, yo, don't do that. And, you know what I'm saying? And Jay-Z, Jay-Z's such a great example of something to aspire to.
Exactly.
Because Jay-Z came from selling krills to
Jay-Z
doing
went from
music.
offering niggas on Hot 97 money in a brown paper bag to he's about to hit $1 billion.
And now what is he doing? He's doing the electric slide with Beyonce on a yacht.
You know what I'm saying?
You know
That's what you want to do.
And that's trending.
That is the goal.
That's right.
So you could either be the hater nigga like, yo, look at this washed nigga doing the West, or you could be like, how did Jay-Z get there?
How did Jay-Z get to do the electric slide on the yacht with Beyonce?
Niggas,
I want to get there.
Niggas don't see the big picture.
Yeah, bro.
Niggas don't see the big picture. Niggas want, Steve Stout was talking about that. That's the bag culture. Niggas want the money right now. Niggas don't want long-term money. Yep. Niggas don't want, and not even us wake up now bullshit. Niggas don't want residual income. Niggas don't want to have multiple streams of income and shit. Niggas just want to cash out now. Get a $70,000 chain with them chomping with rubies like.
No, that's a stupid move, guys. You want longevity. You don't want to be rich. You want to build wealth.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? That's a message for the youth. You know what I mean? Come on, man. Like, just there's a certain level of wisdom that comes with growing up. You know what I'm saying? And experiencing things. And I feel like we've gone through those things, and now we're giving you that knowledge. And you know what I'm saying? We did that, so hopefully you won't have to go through that. Damn, these niggas are hitting the shit out that electric slide.
I mean, listen,
God
on a
damn.
yacht.
On a fucking yacht.
On a yacht.
God damn.
Mm-mm-mm.
Shit. Gucci Man dropping?
Ah, man. Oh, yeah, Gucci again. Shout out to him. And Quavo and Travis Scott just dropped a new album as well. A lot of new music this weekend.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to, you know what I'm saying? Use that new music to fill your time because there's no Desus Mero this weekend. For a week. We're not back until January 2nd.
January 2nd, but niggas need a break. You know what I'm saying? We got families. We want open presents too,
not for
just like
nothing,
y'all.
though. We really went out 2 guns up.
Yeah,
Niggas
we
went
did.
out
We did.
back to back on some John Woo shit. Niggas went out like, yo, fuck that. Every now and then, you know what I'm saying? Because you know what? Not for nothing, the brand was coasting.
Yeah.
Niggas got a little too comfortable.
Yeah, you know what I'm
Niggas took
saying?
our socks off in the back of the Escalade.
Just started chilling and
kicked
shit.
up. Niggas was like hobnobbing with Pharrell.
Yeah.
Chill with Nick Weinstein, Spike Jones and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Don't light that fire under the
Dapping
niggas'
Bob
cheeks.
Iger up and shit. Niggas forgot what it was.
Yeah.
Niggas forgot about stealing Charleston shoes and shit. Drinking Vienna sausage water. The brand is back. The brand is better than Brolic. The brand, the brand is Litecoin. Okay, that's a little too much
That's
right
a little
there.
fluctuation.
Nah, fuck that. The brand is back, baby. We platinum. You know what I'm saying?
Double, triple titanium.
We going diamond.
nigga.
Yeah, nigga.
Like Prodigy said, R.I.P. You know what I'm saying? We going diamond.
What's wild is like, if niggas had just chill, the brand would have just been like, the brand would have just been like mediocre. Like, oh, we here.
Yeah, we good.
We got the book. We working on shit. I feel like a spark has been lit in the back of the brand. Nigga, 2018.
Oh boy,
we gonna be on y'all niggas next,
bro. When you
anyone
see
that ever took a shot at us, all we gonna do is be successful and just put that shit, and we're gonna tag you every time we do it.
Every single
All right?
time.
Mark my words. I'm saying it right now. Rolling Stone cover.
That's right.
It's coming.
It's coming.
Time magazine cover. It's coming. Let's go.
Listen, when you see niggas in the movie poster jumping out of a flaming helicopter
Let's
with
go.
Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
Let's go. Let's fucking go.
Let's
Talk that
go.
shit.
You know what I'm saying? Relax yourself.
How dare niggas disrespect niggas from the X?
Come on, son.
How dare niggas disrespect niggas from the X? How dare niggas disrespect
Niggas from the X. How dare niggas disrespect niggas from the X. How dare niggas disrespect. Come on.
That's our new shit. That's our new shit.
Put an X on your fucking forehead.
Ooh.
Carve my initials on your forehead.
That's
so
our
every
new
night
single.
beforehand, you see.
We gotta get Cardi on that single.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Ooh.
Oh.
And ASAP 12E.
Oh, yes.
Oh, excuse me. Are we moving into the music lane?
Yeah.
Oh.
I like it.
Would that make niggas sit? I mean, if niggas is a DJ, they need shit to spin.
Listen, man. We are right now a New Jersey highway. We are 8 lanes across. We in every motherfucking lane. And in every motherfucking lane, there's a sign that says, toll ahead, you must suck our dick from the back.
Woo!
You know what I'm saying? So
Ooh.
pay homage, nigga. You know what I'm saying? And respect the architects.
Oof.
You know what I'm saying? Because y'all niggas wouldn't be here. You wouldn't have your little thing if it wasn't for us.
Listen, Jeezy did Thug Motivation. This episode, I want y'all to put this shit on.
Yeah.
When you on the treadmill.
Uh-huh.
Or if you're trying to be like me, in your nice penthouse on your Pelon cycle.
Oh, the Peloton with
Peloton?
the
Yo, I can't
digital
pronounce it.
trainer? Oh, shit.
I saw the fucking ads.
Yeah.
She was like, "Don't give up." Don't. I was
Yeah.
like, I don't even know what that shit is. I'm gonna have that for my fucking wife. I don't know who she is. One of you women in 2018, y'all gonna be like, I didn't even expect to be here, but yes, you'll be there.
You'll be there.
And yes, it.
On the Peloton.
On the Peloton.
You know what I'm saying? Looking over
the
Hudson from the penthouse. You know what I'm saying?
with our beautiful kid looking like fucking Christy Teigen,
You know what I mean?
like John Legend's kid,
Yeah.
probably eating cantaloupe.
Uh-huh.
I'm throwing it on Instagram. Got a verified account.
Yeah.
My life is great. I got a fucking pug. You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all not stopping this money train.
Nah.
Niggas is not going
Bro,
back to broke. You're not
They
getting in the way of
can't,
this
yo,
shit.
the beautiful thing about it is, my brother,
can't.
is that they cannot
They
stop this
can't.
runaway train.
No.
No matter how fucking hard you sit in your gaming chair and cry, nigga, you can't stop the money train, dog. It's like the fucking train with that Denzel was trying to stop with the white nigga. I don't know if it was Ryan Gosling or fucking Bradley Cooper or one of the other interchangeable white niggas. You can't stop the runaway train, fam. It's coming and it's crushing everything. It's a juggernaut.
Listen.
Fuck out of here.
Listen. Checkers, not chess.
Come on.
Checkers,
And I don't
not
even
chess.
look. Honestly, people can say, "Yo, this is Dick Fu solo episode, whatever." Y'all can say that, but we're holding back because there's so many things that are on decky that we could just ruin niggas' lives and motivations with right now. But we're just holding back. We're being humble. You know what I'm saying? Because we're just two regular niggas from the hood.
Like Kendrick says, be humble.
Be humble.
Sit down.
Sit down.
We're actually very humble. Like we don't.
Yeah, niggas ain't no, we ain't out here flexing like that, bro. Come on, I just showed y'all niggas this Ferragamo belt for the first time, bro. Like, you know what I'm
also,
saying?
Congrats on
You know
that.
what I'm saying? We out here, bro.
You know, at first I was mad at it.
You know what I'm saying? But then it was like, yo.
I was like, yo.
I just remember my man Stan said, yo, I know it ain't cheap, but to me it's light. You know what I'm
See?
saying? So like,
You know,
hey.
the thing is, I seen that. Yeah, I felt like that was a wild heavy flex, Mero. We're gonna have a little adventure here. My man pulled up to the PJs in the Bronx in the Range Rover,
Yeah.
with the Ferragamo belt.
Yeah, shout to Titi.
You
I
okay?
had to go back to Titi's building, being as you know what I'm saying?
Yo, because then I looked at it, I was like, do I even still own a gun? Like I'm in the sneaker room, like lifting up Jordans and shit to see if I still got the 45, like in case they can run up on you.
Yo.
But then I was like, niggas hitting me like, yo, that was wild. Was niggas was hitting me like, yo, I seen your man with the Range. They was like, yo, is he good? And I was like, no, he's good.
That niggas is good.
But niggas was hitting me up like, yo, do you want me to hold your man down?
I'm like,
And I was
nah.
like, wow, we plugged it like that.
Yeah,
I was
bro.
like, all right,
And it's yo, I appreciate
It's
the
love.
gesture, but
Because niggas in the Bronx show is love.
yeah.
Niggas in the Bronx show is love.
Shout out to all the
But you
Bronx
never know, because
institutions,
always be a hater nigga.
B. Yeah.
Rest in peace, Chinks. They just caught the nigga that killed him.
Yup.
Nigga, the guy was
Right.
upset with him for 6 years. For 6 years, he was envious of Chink's success.
Wow.
You see how niggas do you? And then you wonder why me and Mero move the way we move.
Come on, man.
Because the thing is, a hater, you gotta nip that shit in the bud. Because you
That's
don't know.
it, bro.
Because nigga might be hating in 2014. That nigga could murder you literally years later.
Yeah, that's right.
You know what I'm saying?
And these Hollywood niggas don't understand that. They
Y'all
don't
don't
understand
understand
like,
that shit.
Like, oh, I
niggas
could
talk
get
about
murked.
media niggas. We not media
Nah,
niggas.
bro.
We just niggas.
Niggas
I
making
can
media.
say that I'm black.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what
Y'all
I'm
gonna, Mero says that y'all gonna get his ass, but he from the Bronx,
You know what I'm
whatever.
saying?
But no. So if niggas taking shots at you, that shit is a threat. That shit is not some shit to take lightly.
Yeah, bro. Nah.
I'm saying Chinks died over this shit. Over a nigga being like, them niggas is not popping. Chinks is not popping. So you want to say that shit about us? You want to say that shit with your chest? You want to say that shit with bravado?
No,
Act like you gonna man up about the
You
shit?
better be able to pull up
Nigga,
somewhere.
ooh.
Don't do that.
Nigga.
Don't do that.
Nigga.
Yeah, because I'm good all over East Tremont, Kingsbridge.
man.
Shout out to Kingsbridge, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Soundview, you know what I mean?
There's a reason why of all the kids my mother had, I was the quickest birth. Cause I got out of there because I ain't trust niggas. Hopped out there with the burner like, whoa, who you smacking?
Who you about to slap?
Who you smacking?
Fuck out of here.
Back up, doctor. I don't know you. Take that face mask down. I don't know you. Hold up. My nigga placenta coming out right now.
Chill.
Whoa. Who's this bitch? They're like, that's your mother.
that's what-
What's up, ma? What's up?
Yo.
You cute.
Why you put me in this warmer shit?
I'm saying, I appreciate this.
sweating.
I appreciate you letting me chill here for 9 months and shit. Yo, whoa. Why you came in the room all hot like that?
Yo,
They're
who's
like, that's your father. I was like, whoa, I don't know him.
Nah.
I don't know him.
Why he cutting my shit? Why he
Say
cutting
your
my
name.
shit?
Say your name. Why this nigga cutting my chain? They're like, that's not really, that's your umbilical
umbilical
cord.
cord.
Nah, fuck that.
Yeah.
That's my Cuban lady. That's my 20-inch cable.
My placenta
That
like,
shit bags on tables. You know what I'm saying? Shit, word to rest in peace, Prodigy.
you know what I'm saying? Also,
nigga, the neonatal unit.
Yeah.
Cleaning my gun and
like,
shit.
yo, they're like, yo, can we?
Whoa. Who changing whose diaper? Back up.
Back the fuck up.
Back
my nigga.
up.
No, don't be touching my dick.
Back
nigga.
up. Nah, fuck that. Get out of here.
Nah.
I want a Filipino nurse. I don't like Pacquiao. Fuck that.
Yo.
Niggas like, everyone that wrote Boss Baby is like, that was a wonderful idea.
That was crazy.
That's right. We gave you free content.
See, all day.
Boss Baby.
Come on.
Real nigga baby.
Come on.
It's not as easy to market, but
I mean, they did baby as kids and it worked.
I just imagine it's like a baby with a gun and typed in the diaper and shit. And his arms crossed.
Like, yo,
and it's like, shit's about to get real.
It's about to get real.
And everyone's like, wow, that's actually pretty.
That's extremely problematic.
Wow. Who's voicing Cardi B? Cardi B's real nigga baby.
See? Look at that. Look at the gifts.
Someone at, I don't know, CAA or somewhere was like, I'm out of here.
I'm out of here.
I just heard $1 million idea.
I'm building my life off of this one idea. Thank you. We've come up with this shit off the cuff that niggas can build careers off of. That's crazy. I don't know who said it or whatever, but they said, I think it was a publication. I can't remember the name.
Said that you guys tell jokes.
We tell jokes that our throwaway jokes are jokes people would build their comedy career on.
Yeah.
But that's all right.
Yeah.
Because you know what? In 2018, you know what we got for you?
More fire.
More life for your dope beats.
Yeah.
More tours.
More fire.
More tours.
More life.
More shows. More merch.
Trust
everything.
me, daddy.
What we've learned today is this podcast was a heat check for the Bronx.
Uh-huh.
And a heat check for the brand.
Uh-huh.
And you know what?
We're winning.
In 2017, the brand was strong. The brand is so strong right now, we need a new term for it. Brand is better than bra. Better than brolic.
Better than brolic.
Better than strong.
Better than brolic.
It's like the old dance hall. I'm brolic. I'm better than brolic.
That's right. We better than brolic, nigga. For 2018, we're coming strong, dog. We do movies, books, all types of shit.
All right. We got the new DVD porn series coming out called Platinum Dicks.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We Eiffel Tower joints all
You know what I'm
crazy.
saying? When you see me and Mero getting a wild double toppy for fucking Helen Mirren, you know what I'm saying? You know what it is. I'm like, oh, it's distinguished toppy.
Yo.
You know what it is.
You know what I mean? That fucking British toppy, nigga. That shit's wild classy.
You know what I'm saying? We holding our Emmys
Yeah,
on the
I
red
mean-
carpet. She's like,
No. Put my nuts in a teacup. And shit.
go. Disrespectful. All right?
Eat you like
Nothing
a
less
crumpet,
than
ma.
this. I'm throwing some things out here. 2018, we hosted SNL. We hosted maybe the VMAs, maybe the Emmy. We're hosting some award show.
The ESPYs for sure.
You listen, y'all don't.
We in the All-Star game for sure this year. Don't get it fucked up.
If you want to know the brand trajectory, get the movie.
Mm-hmm.
It's called Denzel Does Coke and Flies a Plane. I forgot the real name of it.
Yep. That's what's gonna happen.
The first 10 minits.
He goes to jail.
It's the first 10 minutes.
The first 10 minutes.
The first 10 minutes. I
Yeah.
don't care he goes to jail. That's what makes him like no one remembers the movie. Because you watch the movie out there, you're like, he saved the people. Why's he going to jail? He got a little skied up. But that part, we have the plane going like 90 degrees through the clouds. That's us.
Uh-huh.
That's us. We going through
Straight
the
up.
clouds, baby.
Straight up.
Shout out to Bodega. Have you coming with
up.
us? If anyone, listen. If you not, listen, I'm like Nikki Haley at the UN yesterday. I'm putting it right now. I'm drawing the line in the sand. If you not Bodega Hive, you could suck a dick and die.
That's it.
It's me and Mero until the wheels fall off this bitch.
You know what I'm saying, motherfucker?
Okay? If you was here,
If you-
was here for Desus versus Mero, you
Yup.
were here for joking off, you
Yup.
was here Common Sense,
All of that.
If you was here for the Tax Throne podcast, the
Yup.
Premium Pete podcast,
All that.
the KFC Barstool podcast,
Fan Bros.
Fan Bros.
You know what I'm saying?
If you was here for all that shit and you still rocking with us, we thank you and we still rock with you. You know what I'm saying?
You know
And
what I mean?
we are never gonna let you down, and we're
Never.
never gonna get punked out and pussied out by some fucking person on the internet. I'm losing my mind off this shit.
Nah, we good.
Nigga, I wanna go to jail.
Bro, let me tell you what's gonna happen with this brand. This brand is gonna grow so exponentially, and it's gonna branch off. You're gonna fucking start a mega church. I'm gonna start a fucking bachata group. It's gonna be fucking amazing. Victor's gonna start his own hair care line. This shit is gonna be multifaceted, multidimensional, and it's gonna be fucking unstoppable. So you niggas
Can't
better
go.
get ready. You know what I'm saying?
Can't wait.
Nigga.
Can't wait.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, till wheels fall off, right?
Yeah, nigga. You know
Bodega
what it is.
Boys. You know what it is? remember, there was that one day on 49th Street, and I said to you, fuck this podcast shit.
Fuck this podcast.
Let's move these
shit.
packs.
Let's get this pack.
Let's sell coke to these noisy niggas at Vice. And here we are.
Yo.
Damn, did we even do a podcast? We just beef for like 2 hours.
Yeah, no.
Either
Doesn't
way,
matter.
it still goes.
Y'all enjoyed it.
This shit's good.
You know what I mean? We gave y'all what y'all wanted. Y'all wanted to hear us go off. I mean, I've been watching Twitter, and that's all the niggas wanted from this
But see,
episode.
even
was
the way we went off was not the way regular niggas went off.
no,
It's distinguished.
it's quality
Woke. It's quality.
content.
You know what I'm saying?
Original quality content. Always remember, original quality content will
Okay.
always win over niggas that just go on Google and type in the term fuck shit.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas aggregators, we gators.
Mhm.
I don't know what even that means.
It doesn't even know.
I
It
don't
don't
know
even
what it means.
matter because
I don't
Gators
know.
is expensive. That means we're expensive by proxy. So suck our dicks from the back. No,
Also,
fuck
shout out
it.
to Mero for making that autocomplete on Twitter. Like, I can't even say suck my dick now. That nigga's like, suck my dick for the back. That shit's like when you go to a restaurant now, they're like, would you like still water or sparkling water? It's like, would you like your dick sucked from the front or the back? I'm like, please do not insult me. I only like my dick sucked from the back.
Excuse me.
Also, the whole idea of getting your dick sucked from the back is so disrespectful.
It's so disrespectful.
Because like the cheeks is right there.
Yeah, and you're not even making eye contact.
Yeah.
It's just like, yo, do what you do. When you're done, I'll let you know.
You know what it's like? It's like when elephants walk.
Yeah,
And they
it
hold
should
each
just
other's trunk.
there. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
What a shit show. By the way, my man is back in rare form with 2 tall cans of Heineken. You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is?
Uh-huh.
Only because they didn't have no Becks.
You know what I
Only
mean?
because they didn't have no Becks.
Oh.
Don't read it on air, but just read it. Niggas know. You know what I'm saying? Niggas on Twitter see the energy.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know what?
That's going to be my new phrase.
It's all about the energy. It's all about the energy.
Energy. When you say energy, what do you mean?
Would you? Oh,
In what sense?
That's right though. Listen, niggas beef with clowns, but guess what? Everyone we've beef with, we've surpassed,
Yeah.
and we've only beefed with like 3 people.
That's it.
So
and where are they?
where are they? You know what
Daytop.
it is? Like my fat auntie with the big cankle says,
Uh-huh.
I concentrate upon myself.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Desus and Mero worries about Desus and who? Mero.
Nigga.
That's right.
You know what I'm
Desus and
saying?
Mero not out here worrying about other people. We have a
not,
brand. We make sure the brand is strong, and we produce for our fucking bodega.
That's right.
The best fucking fans of the fucking world.
That's right.
Even though some of y'all get too familiar to say wild shit to me and I be in my feelings, but you know what?
Yeah,
fuck it.
fuck
Y'all
it.
think y'all know me. Y'all don't know me, but y'all kind of know me.
Yeah,
anyway,
it's all
that's cool.
good.
That's a whole nother episode.
It's just dedication. You know what I'm saying? But
You know
there's
what
a
I'm saying?
limit. But hey, you
know what it is?
we appreciate the
The shit
we
is,
appreciate
it's
the
like,
thought.
if you listen to the podcast, it feels like they know us.
Yeah.
And for a certain level, they do.
They do.
We talk about very personal shit on here.
All the time.
I have people coming up like, yo, your sister, that's a nurse and blah, blah. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, listen,
Yeah.
the podcast is us.
Yeah.
We share our lives on this shit for art.
For y'all.
That's why we ask to be compensated and all that shit. But at the end
Yeah,
of the
bro.
day, it's a choice.
Come on.
We choose to come here and do this. You choose to listen.
Fam,
We
bear,
have both come to an agreement on that, and that's why this shit works out.
That's why it works out,
That's
bro.
why it works out.
We come out here and we bare our souls to y'all, man.
Could you imagine we were doing this shit, 92 episodes in, like 30 listens? Not to knock anyone who's still, like, if you're doing a podcast, you're not doing numbers. Keep at it.
Keep at it.
It's about your integrity and
Yep.
your consistency.
Listen, I always tell people the same shit. Get into a studio. Make sure that your product is high quality and keep working. You know what I'm saying? Work. It might not work, but if you don't try, it's definitely not gonna work.
Mm-hmm. But listen, we did the work. We did the math.
Can you do the work?
We out here, dog. We out here. We out here. We're gonna continue to be out here
Yes, sir.
until the fucking wheels fall off this bitch.
You know what I mean?
All right? Only thing that can stop the Bodega Boys is the Bodega Boys.
That's right.
I want y'all to know that.
And that's not gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen, nigga.
Unstoppable, nickel.
Listen, when you see that Bodega Boys residency in
Uh-huh.
40 years, fucking Victor
In
comes out in
Vegas?
that fucking motorized
Woo!
cart,
You know what I mean?
and his hair's still the same. You're like, how? He's like,
How?
stem cell, nigga.
Stem cells, nigga. Suck
love
my
it.
dick. Watch me put my head in this tiger's mouth.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's right.
I'll be like, look, on the main stage, Victor signing contracts. So we just toss the contracts and we sign them and shit. Can't wait. Can't wait. This nigga got a hula hoop on his leg.
Yo.
I'm
Damn.
like, look, Mero takes a hit from the biggest hookah
Of
in the
all
world.
time. I'll take a hit from a hookah and it's actually just P.O. with a hose in his head,
He's
like
like,
the Matrix.
oh.
He's like, oh, shit, I fucking hookah. I know fucking baby.
They'd be like, he's not. He has to change his name to like, I know fucking old man. They're like, look at Jesus.
Yo.
Jesus in his lifetime has worn 14,000 pairs of sneakers. I'm like, I wish I had invested that money.
Oh shit! I mean, at this point, I mean,
I feel
like
like a Dumbo. No, they're just coming.
not to flex, like they're just coming now.
No,
Like I haven't seen you because you used to come in. Like I used to be a thing. Like you would come and open your laptop and be on like the
buying them.
thing and buy whatever. And now they're just coming in.
Why'd you make it messy like this? This is how messy you made it. I'm sorry I have to drag Victor into this. Victor, there's 6 pairs of sneakers for you.
Oh shit, yo, I'm gonna go pick
That Vice.
them shits
Oh shit! Yeah.
Like, I already got them.
Yeah.
They be the same size.
Yo,
Oh
is this
shit!
thing on?
Yeah. It's
That's the other thing. Also, if I get a pair of sneakers and I get a pair of sneakers sent to me that's the same size, they're Victor's.
Yeah.
Victor's sneaker collection is, how many sneakers you got now, nigga?
I got a lot, and I just want to say thank you for thinking of me, even though I haven't been there, and you know who you are.
Hey!
Rah, rah, rah.
This is the
Hold
best
your
episode
fucking
all
head.
season.
Get low, nigga, because
go.
shots is being fired.
All
Get
right.
behind the car,
The
nigga.
Bodega Boys is back.
That's right,
Fuck
stupid.
fuck the merch. Fuck all that.
Yeah.
3 niggas sharing one Metro
Yeah.
car. We on the 4 train. Go
Fuck
uptown.
outta
Let's
here.
go.
Don't get your face smacked.
You know, niggas wanted. We asked niggas to bring that energy. They brought that energy, and that energy.
Yeah.
Because you know what? Energy could not be created nor destroyed.
Destroyed.
And now the energy's back with us.
Yeah, it's been magnified, nigga. It's
Ooh.
over 9,000.
I think we're about to go Super Saiyan. Me and Mero about to go attack one of the Titans. Let's go.
Holla.
Damn. Nigga, I feel like we should just fight someone outside.
Yo, I'm going to. I'm
You know
going to
what I'm
punch
saying?
the first thing I see as soon as I step out the door.
Also, just so you people know, Mero's with the shits.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? Mero defended the honor
Yeah.
of one of our staff members, our
Yes.
badge. I don't want to say too much.
Yeah. Listen.
But,
if there's
as I
one
will
thing-
say, don't say anything, don't get indicted.
no,
I'm just
don't-
saying, Mero does not allow you to push. There's been several times I've been on set. And if you come and try to bully niggas,
No.
Mero's not with that.
I'm not with that.
I don't know if that's because he's a
Bro.
father or what.
Fam,
but
no,
Mero's
no.
not with that.
No. This is the thing. You said it before. This is the team. This is the squad. We all bros. You my brother. Victor's my brother. By extension, the crew that is recording us and working with us is part of the fam. So if you try to violate, you will get violated. You understand?
Easy.
Like I said, I almost put a nigga in the yoga child pose at Art Basel. It didn't go there because the nigga was pussy and he backed down.
Nigga
but
called
I'm
the
just saying,
cops.
nigga called
Nigga
police.
called the cops. And the
Luckily-
cops ain't even want the
The
heat.
cops ain't even want the heat because they was Dominican. They was, papi, estos blancos tan locos, están hueliendo mucho perico. You know what I'm saying?
That's
So,
just all facts.
you know what I mean?
Not making up.
so don't play with me, nigga, because I done almost threw a nigga off a balcony.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't take me back to them dark places.
Damn. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Remember that South by South? Like how
Yeah.
pop we were?
Yeah.
We had no per diem.
Bro, no per diem.
Niggas was
Going
niggas-
on Twitter like, yo, who got weed? Please
we
pull
was a
up.
mess. Dropping fucking frappuccinos on Fetty Wap's Yeezys.
You know what I mean? Like,
Now,
yo.
now who we? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
we about to climb over a gate to get into a party.
dog.
Because niggas didn't know who we was at
were.
the door.
And now,
And now we are the party.
we are the party, nigga.
Wow.
Here we are. My man.
My man, we have made it. Thank you for this podcast. Listen,
Yeah.
this shit is wonderful.
Yeah, nigga.
If you listen to this, if the brand was Bitcoin, the shit just went up 4,000 points.
That's
today.
right.
And now, if you are a Bodega Hive member, you know you can talk your shit unabashed on Twitter. Because
Yep.
why? The brand is
The
strong.
brand is fucking strong.
The brand is unbreakable.
It's
Also
unbreakable.
go on DJ Academic's page and put the cat emoji because he's wild pussy.
You
know
have
what it
Bodega
is.
Hive, you have your marching orders.
Bodega Hive, you know what it is. You were waiting to hear what it is, and we said what it is.
You know what I mean?
All right, it's your fucking 5-star general, Jesus Nice.
That's right.
Telling you right here.
Uh-huh.
Episode 92. You know what it is. You worm burgers holding us down.
You know what I mean?
And anyone else, let me just be claro. As my man Pio, the Prime Minister of DR said,
Yup.
you take shots at Mero, you take shots at me, you take shots at the brand. We react like Voltron.
Yup.
I'm saying
not
we're
a
still
game.
two dirty niggas from the Bronx.
Not a game.
It was still the same guys that said the N-word way too much on
Yeah,
Desus versus
that's
Mero.
right.
We were talking about a Supreme Cotton Gin.
Yep.
We were doing jokes that you could not get away with today.
Yep.
Same guys.
Don't let this nigga text me at 2 a.m. like, yo, pull up, because I'm pulling up.
Listen, my nigga,
Don't do it.
just say the word.
Uh,
Just say the word.
don't do it.
This was supposed to be a podcast. This was it. This was a warning shot.
Yes.
I want y'all to. This is the energy we're going into
Yeah.
2018 with. The brand is strong. The brand's not to be fucked with. You come at us. You coming at the king.
Oh, yeah. You come at the king.
Best
Best not miss, motherfucker.
Best not miss. Episode 92.
That's
It's
right.
your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Desus Vice, a.k.a. Yo Chipotle, Pocket Say Fat like Terrio, Chris Tapper Slinger, Eli Lippy, Butcher's Billy Gully, So Bad Dynamite, Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nada Dorado, 1994, Nueva York!
Yeah.
Mikhail going off, the Juve boss, MC Looking Good Put. I am pulling up for 40 with your shorty,
Yeah.
looking you right in your face like, do something, pussy.
dare you.
A.K.A. don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you.
fucking know you, nigga.
And if my gun falls out in the back of the Uber, don't say nothing. Just look straight ahead. The original one plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Listen, we might hop the gate. It's nothing.
Nothing, baby.
Desus Rossi and Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Charcuterie out the coonery, a.k.a. Chili Ramon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Carlo K. Yo, did you see that? He just, Pedro Martino, he just threw down Don Zimmer.
Oh, my God. He's an old white man.
We have to go do something about it. We have to write. Vice K. Bakajaga, 3 phone drones. Let me make everyone claro. I got the iPhone X. You know what I'm saying? I could do that little shit with animal emojis, sing dirty dance things.
I love it.
Desus Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurry. Yeah. Whew. DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listen to Watch FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of Nina Sky. Move your body, girl. The Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Rare Nephews, the Moreno You Can't Contain, the Human Meme, Word to Job. That's on God, you know what I'm saying? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budcourse, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffett, the Human Werther's melting in your mouth. Mr. Beck's on deck. Even though today I got the Heineken and at the Vice Land party I old blue ass. But you know what I'm saying? Anytime I got some sort of beverage in me,
I mean?
you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling
litty,
spicy. Don't run up. Ricky Tiki Squad. That's right. Greg Popovich, Morrissey with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee.
But he got that cucumber.
Ooh, the juices are pressed, but guess what? Guess what? The boy never is. Check my press level. Never that. You know what I am pressed about? Because niggas was singing. Jesus ain't a shooter. These ain't got no hitters.
Oh,
These
what?
ain't the art. I am the art, Diet.
Motherfucker.
I'm done down to good news. No more Prince. No more couple news. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Over Casanova. William H. 5 cent, 10 cent, $1. Forget the small change. Give me
Big money, right?
That's what our lawyers say every night. The only anthem I salute is what?
Dipset.
Dipset.
Ow.
Mississauga, catch me at square one, top
Yeah.
left. Going through pre-check.
Yo.
With weed and edibles in my suitcase. I don't give a fuck.
All you cornballs, stop cheesing me, bro.
Oh, let them know.
Yeah.
Trans Rizzuto. Holy cow.
cow.
Catch me at the money store. I'm coming home. It's raining. I'm crossing the bridge early. Mr. Soft Palms. All I do is count checks, jerk off, and count my Bitcoin account. We got OJ, purple stuff, soda. Oh, it's me, Sunny D.
Yeah.
David. Yeah. Man, if you don't know who that is, that's an illustrious jury person. That out if you had the money for it. You probably don't, broke boy.
Step your bracket up.
Listen. These expensive, these is red bottles, these is bloody shoes. Hey! Mr. Shopping in the street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe it. The black Asiatic can crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. Lamarino, the mass marino, refreshment, the cold demeanor, aka your problematic bathe. The earth is flat and women shouldn't have their pum-pums.
Wow. Damn. Episode
92.
We let the whole clip off on you niggas.
92.
You know what I'm
Back
saying?
when Coke was 38
Yeah,
a
I
key.
mean, yo, it's your boy the Mero, aka the Human Do-Rag Flap, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa.
Talk that shit.
Skirt Loader, aka
Let's go.
I know fucking baby, I fucking man, so watch how you speak on my motherfucking name. Aka check the guest list again. I'm on that shit right next to Macaulay Culkin, right next to Jonathan Taylor Thomas, and that other nigga, he's definitely not on the motherfucking list. And no, I'm not stepping to the side while you fucking check. Nigga, listen to me. I'm the motherfucking dad of the year, dog. I will step into any child establishment and swipe that card with no regard for my financial safety, nigga, because I'm the dad of the year, a.k.a. Ben Smack Biyombo, a.k.a. Papa Sushi, the king of Dankman, a.k.a. Tom Brazy. Shorty got my balls kind of inflated, but you know what I'm saying? We're still 10 and 2. Let's get it. A.k.a. Phil the Ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos, man. A.k.a. the Dominican Don Dada, a.k.a. Ben Boston. I have the precision of a Swiss wristwatch. I will destroy the establishment from the inside and then write a book about it. Y'all niggas ain't ready. A.k.a. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, cause I'm the fucking Zen man. A.k.a. Rico Sabroso, a.k.a. Baby Newport, a.k.a. Nino Brown, a.k.a. East Street My Stevie B, a.k.a. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. And I'm there, nigga, so don't ever think I left.
That's right. He's
still out there.
Look on
nigga.
Instagram.
No, it's not a fucking game.
It's not even about the geotag. You see the picture, you see the building in the back. The nigga posted a picture in front of a PJ's in East Tremont. One of the comments was, my man was killed there.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So respect it.
So
if you see, bring that same energy, nigga. If you see me at Target, you know what I'm saying, opening up the almond butter just to do the finger test, respect my agency. Do not approach me, especially if I'm with my fucking cubs, nigga. I may react erratically. You know what I mean? Like I said before, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Caro syrup. He's a fucking herb. You know what I'm saying? And he got multicolored rainbow hair. Hasan, tírame la fucking pita. ¿Qué fue? Big Tiger Gang. Llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA. Coño, prende la juca pa' no prenderte a ti, mamá huevazo.
Right.
Yo ando con dos tipas con la chapa bien hecha. My nigga. So if you see me on the strip, salute me. Episode 92. And I want to just end off by saying, rest in peace to our man, Reggie Osei, a.k.a. Combat Jack, one of the greatest hip-hop journalists of all time. Well-respected, loved, you know what I'm saying, and cherished. My man, your legacy, your what you brought to the game will live on forever. We love you, brother. Rest in peace.
Combat Jack, every time he saw you, like, it was warm.
Yeah.
Combat Jack, it wasn't like, the niggas was like...
He wasn't a fake industry nigga.
Niggas was like, exactly.
Yep.
Combat Jack always had love for everybody.
Yep.
The Combat Jack, if he ever had like beef about you, it wasn't like a personal beef. It might be just like a business thing. He was kind of mad at us, so we never sound with loudspeakers. But Combat Jack always supported us.
Yep.
Always had the battery in our back. And always was like, yo, you and Mero are the truth, and you guys are going to go on to good things.
Yep.
We lost someone really good in the industry, and that shit is heartbreaking. So we dedicate this episode to you, my nigga. Yo, Combat Jack, rest in peace to your family.
You, brother.
I know
we miss you.
The holidays gonna be hard for y'all, but yo, I'm really tearing up.
Yeah.
Like, yo, rest in peace, Combat Jack.
Rest in peace, Reggie Osei, my man. You a legend in the game, and you will continue to be so. We love you, brother.
We love you, yo. We out.
Holla.